In this video, I will be showing you how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. Let's get started. First, I go up to the browser address bar and type in YouTube to search for it. Once the search results load, I click on the YouTube link to open the website. From the YouTube homepage, I navigate over to the top right corner and click on my profile icon to open the account menu. From the list of options, I scroll down and click on Settings. On the Account Settings page, under the Your Channel section, I click on Create a New Channel. A pop-up window appears asking how I want to appear. I click into the name field and type in the name for my new channel, Guide Me Now. The handle is automatically generated below it. Once that looks good, I go ahead and click on the Create Channel button at the bottom right. After a moment, a prompt asks me to select a channel. I click on my newly created channel, Guide Me Now, to switch directly into it. Now my new channel homepage opens up. I click on the link under the channel name to check the channel info details, and then I click the close button to exit the pop-up. Finally, I click on my profile icon in the top right corner once again to verify that my new channel is active and linked right alongside my existing Google account. That is how you can easily create multiple YouTube channels using a single Google account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.